Welcome back to Electrical Machines Lab for our first practical, that is open circuit and short circuit test on three-phase transformer. Here you have transformer kept at the back side of this table. You can see the transformer here. Yes, this is transformer kept in a closed tank for protection purpose. Okay, and you are having the wires of primary and secondary windings coming out of this transformer. Now because this is 5 kVA transformer, this is dry type transformer and it is not immersed in oil. It is just a dry type of transformer, but still you can see the tank are with open fins here so that the natural cooling should be possible. Okay, and this is the front of the table where we are going to perform open circuit and short circuit test. Okay, here let's meet Mr. Sachin Vadaskar sir, who is going to help us in performing machines lab practical, and right now he is busy in making the connections. So let's try to understand our experiment first. What are the apparatus we are going to use? First of all, we are going to use the transformer which is kept at the back side of this table of 5 kVA 415 by 230 volts delta star. So just for your easy to understand, the diagram is drawn here. You can see the primary side is delta, the secondary side is star, and RYB of both the delta as well as stars are provided to you for the connections. Here this is dimmer stat, because you cannot give the direct supply of 440 volts to transformer. You always need to increase the voltage slowly, and that is why the dimmer stat is connected. This is the three-phase dimmer stat which is connected here, and you can see the ratings and connections of the dimmer stat. This is the dimmer stat we are going to use. Its input is 415 and output you can vary from 0 to 415, and you know dimmer stat is nothing but auto transformer. So this is the three-phase auto transformer here. Okay, and we are going to increase our voltage through this regulator. The marking here is not voltage but it is percentage. Okay, now understand how the input is connected. The supply is going to come here in this box where we have all the switches. So first of all you will switch on from here, okay, and then you will press the green button. As soon as you will press the green button, you will get the three-phase supply. I am not pressing it right now because the connections are ongoing. Okay, so what exactly you do is, whatever three-phase supply is coming, okay, you connect it to input of the dimmer stat. Now you can see here input and output of the dimmer stat. So from supply it is connected to input of the dimmer stat, and output of the dimmer stat is used for the further connection. So basically as soon as you switch on, the supply comes here. As I told you, on every table you have DC and AC supply, whether you use it or you don't. Okay, so here on this table we don't need DC supply, but still you will find terminals of DC supply, but it is of no use here. Okay, what you are going to do is, you are just going to concentrate on this three-phase connection. So this is the supply. This is exactly where the supply is coming from. Here R, Y, B are connected to the input of the dimmer stat, and from output of the dimmer stat it is connected to another RYB. So don't get confused. Here the input is coming from input to the dimmer stat is given, and here output from the dimmer stat is connected. So you have this wires coming out of this dimmer stat. Okay, this is input going to dimmer stat, and this is output coming out of dimmer stat. Okay, so this is connected to RYB. Here you are getting constant 415 volts. Okay, three-phase supply, and here you are getting regulated voltage which you are going to change with the help of dimmer stat. So RYB is connected as well as neutral is there. Okay, now your main connection starts from here. जो dimmer stat के input output है वो आपको connections करे हुए मिलते हैं. So you need to start your connections from here. So exactly how you are going to do the connections, for that you can refer the circuit diagram. All of you have the circuit diagram? Yes. So you can refer to your circuit diagram. This is your wattmeter you are going to connect. I told you about the 2-element wattmeter. This is the 2-element wattmeter. This is the voltmeter we are going to use, okay, to the star side. This is the voltmeter you are going to use to the delta side, and this is the ammeter you are going to use, of course, to the star side. Now because we are performing open circuit test first, the supply is given to star, because you know open circuit test is always performed on low voltage side. Okay, so how the connections are made? We are starting with our connections. So from R you will connect to M of the wattmeter. M and V of the wattmeter will be shorted. M and V of the wattmeter will be shorted. Okay, this is M, this is V. Now you have two V terminals, 300 and 600. We are going to connect 300. Alright, so this is M will be shorted, and then from L it should go to ammeter. This L is going to ammeter. This is ammeter. Second terminal of ammeter should go to R. This is going to R. Okay, Y is coming to common. Common and common are internally connected, and the same wire is going to Y of that star. Okay, then B should come to M of another element. Okay, again M and V are shorted. This is M and V are shorted. Okay, and from L it should go to V. From this L it is going to B of the star. Okay, so this is how the connections of primary are done. The voltmeter is connected across R and B. You can connect voltmeter across any two phases. So this is how the voltmeter is connected between R and B here. Okay, and rest of the connections I explain you. One voltmeter is connected to the star to get you the primary voltage, and the second voltmeter is connected across delta. तो आप देखो कि delta open है. Delta के across सिर्फ एक voltmeter connect किया है, and you know that connecting a voltmeter is as good as open circuit. So you will tell me why, even if you connect a voltmeter across the delta R and Y, you are saying that this is open circuit. Why connecting a voltmeter is open circuit? So this is a very good question. Every time people ask in Viva also. So you need to remember why connecting a voltmeter gives you open circuit and why connecting an ammeter gives you short circuit. Okay, so this is all about the connections. Let's start with the performance. Now Sachin sir will help us switching on the supply, and the green button is pressed, and now from dimmer start slowly the supply will be given only till you get the voltage, till you get the rated voltage on the primary as well as secondary. So we have connected 300, right? Yes, we have connected 300, so we will give 230. It is 190 right now. Increase 200, 210, 220. बस कम करो थोड़ा सा. Yes, slightly less. 230, approximately 230 we have. Okay, so we have given 230 supply, and we will concentrate on ammeter now. What is the ammeter reading? Because we have connected 2 ampere range, the current right now is 1.4. Now least count is very important. So here 1.4, 1.6, 0.2 का difference है, 10 division है. So 1 division stands for 0.02. So it is 1.424446. It is 1.46. For 230 it is 1.46. It is vibrating between 1.46 and 1.48. But we will consider 1.46 because mostly it is on 1.46. Okay, and then we have this wattmeter reading. So you can see that there are the minimum count we will see first of all. So 0 to 200, 10 division, 1 division stands for 20, and the pointer is at second division, so it is straight away 40. So 40, and we have multiplication factor. So because we have connected 300 volt and the current is क्योंकि ये पैरेलल अगर कनेक्टेड है तो 10 एम्पियर होता है, एंड हमारे वैटमीटर में ये प्लेट्स पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है तो ये 10 एम्पियर रेंज है. और अगर हम ये टेबल पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे फॉर 10 एम्पियर एंड फॉर 300 वोल्ट्स द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर इज 2. ठीक है, सो जो भी हमारी रीडिंग आएंगी इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे 2 से, मतलब 40 इंटू 2 80 वैट. सो आई रिपीट द रीडिंग्स 230 वोल्ट्स हियर. ठीक है, और ये जो है करंट ये आपको दे रहा है 1.46. On an average, wattmeter is 80 reading. Note down the reading, and this is the open circuit test. So this is our open circuit test. We are giving rated voltage to the primary as well as secondary. Now we will switch off. Only one reading is there. So first of all, we will lower the dimmer stat to the 0 again. We will press the red button. Switch off from here and switch off from the AC panel. That's it about the open circuit test. We will see short circuit test in the next part. Thank you and keep learning.